Dukung dan Dana Rusok. Bapak ada Ibu Hawa, Bapak Ratu, Ibu Suri. Asal Pines butir terbelah dua, terbagi 4 terjura 5. In the meantime, Raja Rama would like to meet his servants. Blab-blab jalan, blab-blab mau fikir. Fikir dalam hati, kamu dalam dada. Oh dada. Today I would like to call two my servants. The first one is pengasuh Said, and the second one is pengasuh Wayang. Come and see me. Said, oh Said. Said, oh Said, Your Majesty. May I know the reason, Your Majesty, why you called me today? In this beautiful morning, is there any reason? Is there anything that you would like to discuss with me, Raja Rama? Oh, my pengasuh Said. Is it okay if you call your friend pengasuh Wayang to be one of your company for today? Of course, to echo. Abeyo? Oh, Abeyo. Abeyo? Your Majesty. Last night, I was dreaming. What kind of dream, Your Majesty? I was dreaming about very beautiful sky, accompanied by a beautiful moon, a beautiful star shining in the sky. Oh, that was an interesting dream, Your Majesty. However, this is not right. Correct. Correct. However, suddenly, the sky become dark. All of a sudden, the sky become dark. The sky become dark, and there is no more beautiful moon. There is no more beautiful sky. All of a sudden. Do not to worry. If let's say you would like to know what happened, or what is the reason behind of all of your dream, I'm able to assist you, Majesty. Please, me and Said will enter the village. We'll go to our village to find what the shaman, the very famous one, to get the meaning, the reason of your dream, Your Majesty. Is it true? They will go into the village and find what to get the meaning, the reason why the Majesty Raja Rama about the dream last night. reason the two of you come to see me? Is there anything that you would like to tell me? Last night, my king, Raja Sramo, okay, having a dream. What kind of dream? The dream is about a beautiful sky, shining moon and shining star all together on the night. Okay. But suddenly, all of a sudden, the sky become dark. There is no more beautiful stars, no more beautiful moon. Oh, that was really not a good hint, not a good dream. What happened? That walk, please come with us. We go back to see our Majesty, Raja Sramo, and you inform our Raja Sramo, our Majesty, regarding the reason behind this dream. Okay, then if like that, you go, then I will follow. So, the servant Sa'id and servant Wayang go back to the castle together with the Wak Nujum. Oh, boleh. The three of you, may I know where you all want to go? Huh? What happened? May I know who are you? If you would like to know, my name is Maharajawano. Maharajawano? Who are you? Who really are you? I'm a Maharajawano, as a villain in this country. Why you suddenly block our path, our journey, go back to the castle? May I know where you want to go? We all want to go back to our Majesty Castle. Raja Sramo. Raja Sramo! Yes, Raja Sramo. Now, today, I would like to tell all of three of you who is Raja Sramo and who is Maharajawano. Why? What happened? Raja Sramo is basically my enemy, my tradition enemy. He's the one who took my beloved one, Sri Dewi. And now, I will go and find Maharaja Sramo, Raja Sramo, to make a discussion. If let's say need to be a fight, and there will be a war between me and Raja Sramo. Then if like that, before you fight with our Raja Sramo, then you need to face the three of us, not including me. Two of you. Yes, of course. You need to fight me. Yes, why not? Then, please, I would like to have to test all of you, all of your skills. Then if like that, Abeyo, I walk, go rest first. Let me face this Maharajawano. So Amen.